Okay, we got some empty tables, and we got, getting ready for the spring when everybody comes in and start buying up all these items. These are all ornamental items here. Mulches and all kind of soils and $19 on the moon. And I see they say they have he brought all the bags of items out that deal with pellet stoves and also fireplaces. Wow. Let's see, bags are how much? $6.98 stacked up. But I can't carry none of these today. I can't. I got somewhere else to go. And no yellow tags on anything. Oh, here we go. Yellow tags on some items that are supposed to be sale items. See, and here's something over there I'm looking at right there. It says $10.78 was $11. So you're not saving anything really. All right, folks, that's the end of that.